going to show you some workouts that you can do at home. This is my new series that I've been doing, and I actually really enjoy it. So all you really need is a mat. If you don't have a mat, you can just have dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, you can improvise, or you can use no weights. But remember this, when you use weights, when you're working out, you see faster results. So first, we're going to work out this core. This is for the lower half of the stomach, and one of my favorite. Another one that is very challenging, you have to get used to it, is the dead bugs. It seemed like it's so easy, but once you try it, it's coordination. So it took me a minute to get this. Yeah, I know, don't judge. But once you get it, you're going to feel the burn in your abs, and that's what you want. Then we're going to lead to some crunches. Now, everything that I'm doing is 3 sets of 15. That's my go-to set number. I should have said in the beginning, but that is the go-to. Now, we're about to get a bench and do some more exercises. Like I said, if you don't have a bench, you can improvise. You can use a chair, the edge of the bed, or a couch. So we're going to work on these arms. Also, you can do this standing up. I'm just being difficult and using a bench, but you can do this standing up as well. I'm actually going too fast. You want to move slowly. And this is a challenge because my upper body needs to be built. I say this literally in every vlog that I do when I'm at the gym. I say the same thing. And this weight is a little challenge because it is heavy. Usually I stick to 10 or 12 pounds, but this is the only thing they had. So I'm trying to really work it out. We'll work with it. So now we're going to do one arm. I don't even know the exercise name. Let me not even try to lie. I don't know any of the exercises name. I just know the benefit. So that's all that really matters. This is going to work at the back. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So I'm switching and I'm taking a little breath. Because like I said, this is really heavy. I need to really build my strength, I know. Now I'm going to do some more crunches, but I'm going to do it on the bench laying down. This is a challenge as well too, but this is another amazing exercise that's going to get you right, especially summer is coming. This is a nice workout. And make sure everything you do slow. Everything that you do when you're working out, you want to move slowly. I'm actually moving too fast when I'm doing this, but listen to me. Do it slowly. Now, another exercise, this is like an oldie but goodie. Squats. Now, I'm using a kettlebell. You can use anything else. You can improvise, like I said in the beginning. And the perfect way to do a squat is just don't think about it and just drop it low and bring it back up. That is the easiest way for me to remember how to do a perfect squat. Now, another exercise, and this is also one of my favorites, is just side crunches. Now, you can, like I said, you don't need any weights or a kettlebell. And literally, that is it. Those are my quick exercises that you can do at home if you do not have a gym membership. And I want you to remember this. If you're trying to lose weight, maintain your weight, what have you, all you have to do is be consistent. Work out about 3 times a week and eat healthy. Now, none of this is going to work. All these exercises I'm giving is not going to work if you're not in a calorie deficit. So you have to eat. You have to eat healthy. In every meal, you need to prioritize at least some type of vegetable in it. That's my rule. At least one type of vegetable in every meal. And believe me, you're going to see results within a couple of weeks if you change your eating habit. Cut out the sugar, no sodas. I'm telling you, you will see a small result, but small results are always going to make you want to work out more. Well, personally for me, when I see a small little difference in my body, I'm like, oh yes, I'm going to the gym more often. So that is it on my quick video on what you can do at the gym. I have a part 1 already posted, and I can also get some more exercises. But that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video.